Bellinghams in the green.
Zulu Tango Zulu, left on the Bravo, contact ground 1 off. Zulu Tango Zulu. Papa Victor, clear to land, runway 07. Papa Victor, thanks. Uniform November Bravo Tower, squawk code for me, please. I would like to see from you a squawk code 6416, please.
6416, Uniform November Bravo.
Roger.
Bellingham Towers, RV, Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, at the shoreline north of the refinery, inbound for 16 with hotel.
RV, Charlie Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, Bellingham Tower, roger. For the moment, remain outside Delta airspace.
Remain outside Delta, Uniform November Bravo.
Roger, won't be too long, expect 2 to 5 minutes.
No problem, Uniform November Bravo.
RV, Uniform November Bravo, Bellingham Tower, proceed inbound, reported 2 mile right base, runway 16.
Report 2 mile right base for 16, Uniform November Bravo.
Bellingham Tower, Cherokee 4199 Juliet, holding short, 16, we're northbound to Linden.
Cherokee 4199 Juliet, Bellingham Tower, roger, hold short, runway 16 for landing traffic.
Start runway 16, 999 Juliet.
Bellingham ground, RV, Charlie Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, to the customs box.
RV, Charlie Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, Bellingham ground, taxi straight ahead on Delta to the ramp, left on Foxtrot.
Delta and Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo. Bellingham Tower, Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, holding short 16 of VFR to Sequim.
Charlie Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, Bellingham Tower, right turn out approved, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff on 16, Uniform November Bravo. Mixture rich, boost pump on. Airspeed's alive. Whitby approach, RV Charlie Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, 2,700, and about 6 miles south of Whitby, south of Bellingham, requesting fog following.
RV, Charlie Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, Whitby approach, be altimeter 3000, squawk 0465.
0465 for Uniform November Bravo. 0465.
Charlie Foxtrot, Uniform November Bravo, maintain VFR flighting 220.
Heading 220, Uniform November Bravo. 220.
Uniform November Bravo, own navigation to Diamond Point Airport.
Direct Diamond Point, Uniform November Bravo. And direct, enter.
Jefferson County Airport.
automated weather observation 2006 Zulu. Wind 110 at 13 knots. Peak gust. Visibility more than 10. High conditions clear below 12,000. Temperature 10 Celsius. 2.4 Celsius. Thermometer 2.9 inches of mercury.
Diamond Point area traffic, RV Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo is about 4 miles north of the airport, inbound for runway 11. Boost pump on, extra full ridge, profit.
There in the darkness with the radio playing low end, and the secrets that we share, mountains that we move.
What's going on here? Autopilot disconnect.
Autopilot disengage. Altitude.
And I remember what she said to me, how she swore that it never would end. I remember how she held me, oh so tight. Wish I didn't know now what I didn't know then.
Diamond Point traffic's RV Uniform November Bravos, about 2 miles north of the airport, inbound runway 11. I'll overfly the airport first, then land on 11 on the right traffic. Correction, left traffic, Uniform November Bravo.
Years rolled slowly past, and I found myself alone.
Spot traffic, 701 west of the Atlantic, vector 200, maneuvering for downwind runway 7.
Guess I lost my way. There were oh so many roads. I was living to run and running to live. Never worried about paying or even how
First
much
match
I
of
owed. Moving 8 miles a minute for months at a time. Breaking all of the rules that would bend.
Altitude.
Diamond Point traffic, RV Uniform November Bravo, on a final for a flyover runway 11, Diamond Point.
Against the wind, little something against the wind. I found myself seeking shelter against the wind.
Minimum.
Well, those drifters' days are past me now. I've got so much more to think about. Deadlines and commitment. What to leave in, what to leave out. Against the wind, I'm still running against the wind. I'm older now, but still running against the wind.
Diamond Point traffic, RV7 Uniform November Bravos, on the right, excuse me, a left downwind for runway 11.
Against the wind. Against the wind.
Remember,
Against the wind. Still running. I'm still running against the wind.
Altitude.
I'm still running against the wind. I'm still running against the wind.
Oh, that is a bumpy runway.
Still running against the wind.
Should come in high.
Running against the wind. Against the wind. See the young man run against the wind.
Diamond Point traffic, RV7 Uniform November Bravos, inbound runway 11, turn in base for a final for runway 11, Diamond Point.
Against the wind. Let the cowboys ride against the
Whoa, that is way too much.
Let the cowboys ride against the wind. Let me riding against the wind. Against the wind. Against the wind. Against the wind. Riding against the wind.
Altitude. Laps over speed.
No, too windy.
Laps over speed.
Diamond Point area traffic, Uniform November Bravo is not going to land at your airport, heading back to Canada, Uniform November Bravo. Winds are too strong.
Die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Just a few more weary days and then I'll fly away to that land where joy will never end. I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory.
Roger, so just confirm, you were off Bellingham at 2000 Zulu, tried to get into Whiskey Alpha 1, but are now en route to Boundary Bay with ETA at 2035, 2 hours of fuel, just yourself on board.
Affirmative, Uniform November Bravo.
Oh glory, I'll fly away.
Flight plan is filed and open. Stand by for the transponder code.
Standing by.
I'll fly away.
Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo Pacific Radio. Your code is 7116.
7116 for Uniform November Bravo.
And Uniform November Bravo, current Boundary Bay altimeter 3001.
3001, Uniform November Bravo. With the approach as RV Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo, I have that crossing code now. They gave me a squawk code of 7116. Currently level at 3100 northbound.
Charlie Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo, reset transponder squawk 7116.
7116 Uniform November Bravo.
Charlie Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo, radar service terminated. Remain on the border crossing code for flight following, and you can contact Victoria Terminal 132.7.
132.7 Uniform November Bravo. Thank you for your help. Victoria Terminal, RV Charlie Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo, level it 3,100.
Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo Victoria Terminal Squawk ident, and go ahead the request.
Uniform November Bravo is direct boundary bay for full stop.
November Bravo, roger, you're identified, and are you able 3,500 northbound?
3,500, affirmative.
Uniform November Bravo, roger, climb to 3,500 and contact Victoria Terminal on 127.8.
127.8 at 3,500, Uniform November Bravo.
Roger. Skyline Climber Trainer, contact Abbotsford Tower 1194.
127.8, enter, and up to 3,500. Indicated airspeed is up.
Altitude.
Fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down.
Victoria Center, Charlie Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo, level at 3,500.
Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo Victoria Terminal, Charlton is 299er8 to sea level at 3,500.
299er8, say the rest.
Confirm your level at 3,500.
That's affirmative, 3,500.
Sure.
We'll just fly.
This is Boundary Airport Information Delta, limit weather 2010 Zulu, wind 0404 knots, tower visibility 15 miles. Sky condition, tower ceiling broken above 8,000 feet, altimeter 3001. IFR approach RNAV runway 31, circling runway 07, or the visual approach runway 07. IFR arrivals shown for Vancouver Terminal, requested approach upon initial contact. Landing runway 07. Departing runway 07 on runway 13. Runway length remaining runway 13 from Alpha taxiways 4,900 feet. Inform ground control initial contact if you're able to accept the intersection departure. Inform Boundary Bay ATC upon initial contact you've received information Delta. Uniform November Bravo, when ready, descent is approved for Boundary Bay.
Descent is approved, Uniform November Bravo. The pilot's discretion.
Uniform November, Uniform November Bravo, just stay with me for now.
I'll stay with you, Uniform November Bravo. Hello?
Hi, good afternoon. This is Lytle's Flight Services. I'm calling in regards to an overdue VFR aircraft. Are you the pilot of Charlie Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo?
I am. That flight plan was just revised with Pacific Radio. I'm diverting back to Charlie Zulu Bravo Bravo. There should be
One more time, sir.
Uniform November Bravo is headed back to Boundary Bay. That's Charlie Zulu Bravo Bravo. I was unable to land at Diamond Point Airstrip.
Okay, so would you like us to update your flight plan?
Pacific Radio created a new flight plan so you could close that old one, and I'm currently on a new one. I thought they had revised that one.
No problem.
Okay?
Okay, no, I'll close it out for you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
All right, you have a great day.
Bye.
Pack up, let's fly away.
Autopilot disengage.
Mixture rich. Boost pump on. Brakes are good.
I was toting my pack along the dusty when I'm up.
Uniform November Bravo, surveillance service terminates. Contact Boundary Bay Tower 1276.
1276, Uniform November Bravo. Thank you.
Muckamack with me you can ride. And so I climbed into the cab and then I
Boundary Bay Tower, RV Foxtrot Uniform November Bravo, inbound at Point Roberts.
traveled every road in this here land. I've been
Uniform November Bravo currently has Delta.
everywhere.
India Bravo, straight continue downwind, local base. India Bravo, Victor Golf Tower, turn left crosswind now. Lima Papa, continue runway heading. I will call the crosswind on departure. Rail Papa, Delta Golf, continue inbound for the left downwind. Delta Golf. India Bravo, your tower starts the base turn now, follow Cessna to your left.
Signal Bravo X-ray with the traffic.
From November Bravo, a little busy here, runway 07, altimeter 3001. I'd like you to start orbit over Point Roberts, and I'll get back to you here momentarily. From November Bravo, orbit over Point Roberts, please, and I'll get back to you.
From November Bravo, orbiting Point Roberts.
Down to Washington, Houston, Kingston, Texarkana, Monterey, Faraday, Santa Fe, Tallapoosa, Glen Rock, Black Rock, Little Rock, Oskaloosa, Tennessee, Chicopee, Spirit Lake, Grand Lake, Devil's Lake, Crater Lake, Beach Lake. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the deserts, bare, man. I breathe the mountain air, man. Of travel I've had my share, man.
Uniform November Bravo Tower, you can start northbound towards 17A, northbound for your base.
Uniform November Bravo.
And monitor the inner tower, please, on 1181 now.
1181.
Uniform November Bravo Tower, traffic is exiting at Bravo, you're clear to land runway 07.
Good land 07, Uniform November Bravo.
Tango Zulu Tower, you're number 4, follow Diamond 11 o'clock, about 1.5 miles on base.
Zero Tango Zulu, the 10.
Sure. It's not the Cessna to your left, but Diamond Katana, 10 o'clock, 1 mile on base, turning final.
If I were to call this to Golf on left down the 307, requesting touch and go.
Victor Golf, thanks, number 5, follow Cessna 12 o'clock, 2 miles ahead in the downwind.
Looking for traffic with Victor Golf.
Blue Tango Zulu Tower, start your base, turn now.
Zero Tango Zulu.
Uniform Oscar Uniform Tower at Alpha, line up runway 07.
Bravo, Oscar Uniform.
Uniform November Bravo, exit left at Charlie, contact ground 1243, good day.
Left on Charlie and contact ground, Uniform November Charlie. Oh, Uniform November Bravo, correction.
Downwind, I'll call base.
Victor Golf.